Hey there, YouTube. Do you know what I really can't stand anymore? I see so many offers from well known marketers, and they're saying, "Oh, I make this amount of money, this amount of money." And they're not real people. They're people who, well, frankly, like me, who already have done the work, have built a list, have gone out there and tried to really make it work. And they're not, you can't relate to them anymore as somebody who is a newbie who's just struggling. That's why I was so excited when I saw this new launch called Grandma's Revenge. Now, it is from a well known marketer. It's from Jeremy Kennedy, but it's not really from Jeremy Kennedy. It's actually from his mom. And his mom is actually making serious money online. I'm going to tell you all about it in just a minute. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat, and that is because I wear my fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche, basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
But it's kind of wearing on my nerves now. Okay, seriously, give it a rest. Anyway, the way things work here is if I like the product, I'll give it to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of news involving mindset and entrepreneurship on the channel.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. See, I love Liz. She's such a sweetheart. Now, if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified by dropping the videos to eventually subscribe. Well, if it doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page for Grandma's Revenge. I love that title, Grandma's Revenge.
Grandma.
It's not an angry grandma, relax. Anyway, she's actually a very sweet lady, it seems. So actually, this lady is, you can see here, she says she's a type 1 diabetic. I feel for her, 59 years old. She has a lot of health problems. And yet she's able to do three-figure days. See, $94, $112, $188, okay, $229, $120, $443. But what I love here, these are not crazy numbers. You know, you see people who put up these marketing things where they put up like $13,000, you know, in a day or a week or whatever. It's like, yeah, sure. Okay, this is real numbers. 7.9% conversion rate is not a crazy number to be able to achieve. That's perfectly reasonable. 38 visits, 3 orders. Okay, 8% conversion, $443. Okay, 1 visit, 1 order, $20. Okay, 356 visits. These are normal numbers that you can actually see like a real person getting, and this is a real person. Okay, this isn't somebody who is a well-known marketer who has built a massive following. Okay, now Jeremy Kennedy obviously is a well-known marketer. He's a very good guy, knows his stuff. But Jeremy is not the person who's actually teaching this course. It's actually his mom teaching this course, which I was so excited to see this thing because it's real stuff, and she's actually able to make a full-time living doing this stuff, which I thought was really, really cool. I'm going to take you inside the members area in just a moment. Now, I do want to explain to you a little bit about what this is about. Basically, it's about what's called print on demand, which basically means that she is creating all kinds of products, pillows, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff like that. She's going to show you exactly how she does this and how she drives free traffic to her store and actually sells all these designs as print on demand stuff. I do have a really cool bonus for you guys because I really, really like this thing. So what I'm going to give you is like this. I have a set of motivational posters that I actually have commissioned. It's about 20 or 30 different motivational posters. These are designs that you can actually go ahead and use them as part of this print on demand package and actually start jump-starting your business with this print-on-demand business. So it's a really, really cool package. You're going to get it for free from me. Other people spent a lot of money on it. You're getting it 100% for free. You can use it as much as you like. So it's really, really cool. But let's go ahead and take a look at the members area. Okay, so this is the members area. There is this lion thing, which I'm not really sure why the lion is there exactly.
Wouldn't you feel degraded to be seen in the company of a cowardly lion?
It's not a cowardly lion like in the Wizard of Oz. Stop it. Anyway, but it's basically just a course. There's nothing too complicated here. Okay, it's showing you exactly how to do things. It's going to show you how to sell on various marketplaces that are 100% for free. You don't have to spend any money for the traffic. This lady does not spend a penny on any of the traffic, so she's really, really cool, and that's why I really, really am excited about this. She does show you the variety of different products that she has. She'll walk you around your store. She's going to show you how she creates products and how she creates designs. That's really, really important stuff. How to create the designs. Like I said, you're going to get from me a bonus with ready-made designs. But if you want to get started right away, she's also going to show you how to create your own design so you can keep going forever and ever and ever, and keep building it up and building up and building it up, and get yourself to the point where you're making a real living. And it's pretty much on autopilot. You put these designs together, you put them out in the marketplace, and you start making money. It's so simple. It's so easy to do. I absolutely love this. So I kind of gave it away a little bit, but let's go ahead and see if I can give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. So am I going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not? Yes, I am. I think this is a pretty cool product. I love the fact that it's put together by somebody who is not a well-known marketer, who has built a following over years, etc., 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 blah, 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 blah. It's a real person. That's so cool to me. I think that's so awesome, and I love this. Go ahead and grab this. This gets my highest recommendation. I really do love this. Go ahead and grab it. You're going to love it.